My favourite machine for free machine embroidery is an old Bernina 707.
Then you tighten your screw. You can use a screwdriver if you want to. And then you pull again, not too tightly, otherwise you'll tear the solu fleece. I'm just going to add another couple of prints. And there we are. So you've got a nice little stencil, and you can decide whether you stitch onto the positive space or the negative space. It's up to you. And you need to make sure that all the stitches cross over, because when you dissolve the solu fleece, you don't want to have any loose threads hanging around. So little separate elements can be very useful, but still have enough goo left to shape your bowl. Then you could pop it into one of these glass containers so everything's protected.